What's going on, Garage Gang? Matt from GarageMC. We got a little bit of snow in Jersey, guys, so we're going to take my snowmobile out. I don't have a snowmobile, but the Banshee will do just fine. So that's what we're going to do. Let me gear up, start this thing up, warm it up. Let's go take it for a rip in the snow. Stay tuned. A short video today, guys. Just go get a little rip in on the Banshee. Oh, that was nice. No traction whatsoever. Now that was deep back there. Not going to really talk much in this video, guys. I'm just going to go for a rip. It's no traction. No traction. Not going to beat on it too much, man. We're not even getting all the way up to temperature. We're only at 126. Traction, man. I love it, and then I hate it at the same time. I'm in fourth gear right now. No traction, man. We don't get snow anymore like we used to. So when it happens, you gotta just jump on the opportunity to go for a snow. Putted out to the main road here. Just revving the shit out of it with no traction. Way too many whoops out here. Way too many. What the hell's across the trail? Oh. time. Let's take, we usually go this way in videos, to the right here. Let's go, not forward, but to the left. Sideways. Can't really see the whoops with the snow on them, so you're right on top of them. Handles if we just roll into it. No different. Gotta tell you, man, since I made the kicker not rattle on this bike, it sounds so much better. Kinda let me do a wheelie. Not too much though. Alright, I know there's some nasty whoops right up here that I don't want to be fourth gear wide open into. And here's my turn. Ooh, virgin trail. Virgin snow anyway. I done ran through this trail several times. I really got to get some better camera gear, man. Just filming a clip for 4 or 5 minutes and then stopping and then re-recording again. Getting to be a little bit of a pain in the ass, if I'm being 100% honest. You know, I think we need to get a thumbnail right here, I think. No, we'll find a better spot. Last time I rode in the snow was on my LT250R last year. Matter of fact, I gotta go pick up my 91 LT250R that I sold to a friend of mine. He wants me to go over the bike, little nut and bolt check, and he's got a few upgrades he wants to do. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but this is all whooped, so that's why I'm not fucking going balls out right now. Let's see here, this trail goes back to, where is it? That trail right there goes back to the pits where we started, well, the swamps where we started out. That's nothing but whoops too. Everything out here is all whoops. Whoops, whoops, whatever you want to call it, from wherever you're at. I think Mike Sabo says whoops. I say whoops. all the way open. So crisp. So crisp. Alright, where the hell is the end of this trail? It's like it's just freewheeling. More whoop. Somebody's memorial's out here. I guess he crashed riding a quad. We got to give him his little respect. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, it can happen just that quick. Even right now, flying down the trail in the snow and get sideways and crack a tree with your head. Not cool. These machines definitely deserve respect. The minute you don't respect them, they'll stop respecting you. As I redline my Banshee through the snow. Can't even barely pull the front end up in this shit. I usually try and hop every other whoop. There we go. Just gotta give it a little more sauce, that's all. Any of you guys that followed the build on this quad, and if you haven't seen it, go back and check my other videos, but if you're new to the channel, we just got this, let me pull over somewhere and tell some of the new subscribers about this bike. You know what, we'll do it in the pit. There we go. Kind of sucks with no traction, but it's still fun. Oh, this thing is so touchy. And I like it that way. Some of the new viewers about this bike, and then we'll ride a little bit more and end the video. It ain't gonna be a long video today, guys. Let's get in the shade over here. Alright fellas, so for any of you guys that are new to my channel, I know some of the OGs here already know what the deal is, but you know, let the new people what's going on. So it's 97 Banshee, 98 plastics, 370 triple port by Athena from AZ Quad Parts. Cool head, bills pipes, every bearing, bushing, seal, gasket, everything through the whole bike is brand new. Everything. There's not one bearing or anything that I did not replace with OEM or better. Hot rods crank, 21cc domes in the cool head, Duncan front bumper, Fox Float 3 front shocks, Alba bead locks, just some cheap tires that I had laying around, which I'm gonna be swapping these out. They're a little too, not, you know, I like a little bit of a wider tire in the back, like at least an 11. Those are 10-inch wide, so those are, what are they, 20 by 10 9s. So I'm gonna get like a 20 by 11 9. That's pretty much it, dude. The whole bike. It's got a inline coolant temp sensor, digital, up on the dash pad there. I like to pay attention to my coolant temps. Right now I'm running at 36:1 with 93 octane and HP2. Stock rear shock, wave rotors, new brake pads all the way around, calipers are rebuilt, yada 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 yada. All right, guys, thank you for checking out this quick little rip we took. Redoing quite a few things in the garage. That's why I haven't uploaded in the past like 13, 14 days. Just trying to get set up for 2025, man. We got a lot of cool stuff coming this year. A lot of cool stuff. Got a bunch of members on the members only live stream. You guys can, you know, if you're interested in that, it's 99 cents a month. We have two other members clubs as well, the 125cc fan, the 250cc fan. The members only live stream members option is getting to be pretty popular. It's 99 cents a month, man. Hopefully we'll see you guys over there. I've been doing a lot of members only live streams, just, you know, stuff that I'm taking care of in the garage as I go that I don't normally film. So, you know, it's a good way for me to share it with you guys. But anyway, I do read and answer all my comments still. Getting to be a little bit overwhelming, but still staying on top of it. And that's it, man. I'll see you guys in the garage next time. Thanks for checking us out. Peace!